yeah, it's just me and Adam out here today, but I feel pretty good about it. I think we'll be able to get it pretty much wrapped up, except for maybe fixing these ruts we made. They're pretty deep, but we'll be good. All right, YouTube, we're at a new job today, doing a French drain for these people. They've got one existing, but it's fairly old, kind of got grown over, and who knows, but it's just not doing what they need. There's still water getting in there, in the back of their house, and so we're coming in. We're tearing out probably 3/4 of it, but they've got a French drain that runs all the way from the other side of that chain link fence over there, runs through on the bottom side of this hill, catch all this water, runs down here, stops about right over there, and then goes out to the road. They've also got one behind this shed that comes down and connects in, but we're going to be tearing out from this white line all the way to the fence, and we're going to tear that out, replace it, and then we're also going to run new lines down to the street, because yeah, they just don't work. I don't know what they did, but it ain't working. So should be pretty easy. Should be able to get it done in a day, probably. I think it's gonna go pretty good. I think we'll do it pretty quick. Back out here for day 2 of this French drain replacement job, and yesterday we were able to get all the old stuff excavated and dumped. I just got back over here. Adam's been here a minute, but he's got the transit out, so he trans the ditch, made sure it's flowing the right way. He's got our fabric down, our pipe in, and getting downspouts tied into it, and then I'm about to get our new rock that's going in back into our dump trailer so we can back here and just save us a little time, not having to make so many trips from the front to the back scooping up gravel. And yeah, it's just me and Adam out here today, but I feel pretty good about it. I think we'll be able to get it pretty much wrapped up, except for maybe fixing these ruts we made. They're pretty deep, but we'll be good. incredible. Alright, so we got our second load of gravel. We're about to start, or Adam's about to start dumping it in here. We got our lines painted on the side of our trench to make sure our edging's nice and straight and square. But yeah, so we got that done. Got our second load of gravel. Once we get this gravel all in, we still got to go get a load of the oversized rock to put on the edges, because this is technically a dry creek bed. So we'll see. It's a little after 2 o'clock. We might get it done. I'm working on digging the exit trench, and we got still got a good little ways to go. Not too bad. I started yesterday digging a little bit, but coming out to here, you can see the water's flowing through it already. We go all the way down there. So, yeehaw. Alright, so me and Rudy are getting our exit pipes put in, going down to the road. Adam ran to get more gravel, and Tim is getting dirt and some other stuff we need. But we pretty much got our French drain just about done. Tying this in, putting in this little guy right there, kind of hard to see. But that's something we kind of came up with. We call it a flow equalizer, and basically it's just so that if one pipe for some reason is holding a lot more water, it's got a way to get into the other pipe, so that way it equalizes the flow. But it's something we're trying. This will be the first drain we've done it on. We're pretty excited to see how it works, but yeah, we'll see.